Every country has a story, and sometimes it's packed into just a few words. These national mottos reveal what nations stand for, what they've fought for, and honestly, some will absolutely shock you. Mao Zedong coined China's motto in 1944, and 1.4 billion people later, it's still the Communist Party's official battle cry. Ukraine motto started as a Ukrainian nationalist battle cry against empires. Over 100 years later, it's still fighting the same empire. Israel's motto is a defiant three-word declaration from a nation reborn after the Holocaust, and still repeating it, louder than ever. Philippines consists of 7,641 islands, 3 colonial rulers, 1 motto, and somehow they still listed God before the government. Palestine's motto has 6 words that ignite global protests, get banned in parliaments, and remain the most contested slogan on Earth right now. Turkey's founder Ataturk wrote this in 1933, ironic for a country that's been involved in conflicts on nearly every border since. Iran is one of the rare countries whose official motto literally names its form of government: independence, freedom, Islamic Republic, all in one breath. North Korea calls itself strong and prosperous, while importing food aid and exporting ballistic missiles. Bold claim. Did you know your country's motto before watching this video? America's motto wasn't always, "In God We Trust." It only became official in 1956, specifically to separate the US from godless communism. Malaysia runs on 3 major ethnic groups, 137 languages, and 2 official religions, and still bets its entire national identity on just 3 words. Sudan has spent more years in civil war than in peace, and yet their motto insists, "Victory is ours." That's either courage or delusion. Saddam Hussein personally added Allahu Akbar to Iraq's flag in 1991, and after 2 wars and a full regime change, it's still right there. Afghanistan's national identity statement is now Islam's most sacred declaration of faith, the Shahada. Canada's motto comes straight from the Bible, covering the second largest country on Earth, from Atlantic to Pacific. Saudi Arabia also uses the Shahada as its motto, but prints it on the national flag with a sword underneath. The message couldn't be clearer. Venezuela's motto, "God and Federation," is older than the country itself, rooted in an 1811 independence war. Did you know your country's motto before watching this video? Drop it in the comments.